This is a working demonstration of a Ward's electronic calculator. This is probably vintage early 1970s. This is the model PD10X, and other than probably needing some fresh ink, it works wonderful. Let's do some basic math functions with it. And very difficult to see because the ink is old, but the paper is imprinted with the appropriate numbers. We can go. And again, it's very difficult to see. It's rather light because I imagine everything here is original. But this is a functioning vintage calculator. It comes in its original box with the manual and two covers. These are the original dust covers, so when you left your office at night, one's a little more wrinkled up than the other, but this is just in superb condition for the age. You won't find another one of these for a long time to come, so don't miss out. Thanks for looking at our auction.